How strong really is the United States military? A question that stirs curiosity and invites discussion. We're here to explore this very question, to delve into the depths of the United States military might, and compare it with the defense forces of other nations. What does it mean to be the world's superpower? What sets the US military apart? This question is quite intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve into it. When we discuss military strength, we aren't just talking about the number of troops. Indeed, the concept of military might extends far beyond mere manpower. It's a multifaceted entity encompassing several key factors that, when combined, shape a nation's true martial prowess. Let's delve into the USA's military strength, unraveling this complex tapestry thread by thread. First off, we have technology. The United States has long been a frontrunner in the technological race. It's a nation that's forever pushing the boundaries of innovation, especially in the realm of military technology. From stealth bombers to unmanned drones, high-precision weapons to sophisticated surveillance systems, the USA's tech arsenal is as diverse as it is advanced. This emphasis on technology allows the country's military to operate with efficiency, precision, and most importantly, adaptability. Next up is the defense budget. The United States allocates a significant portion of its national budget to defense spending. This financial commitment fuels research and development, sustains training programs, maintains equipment, and supports military operations worldwide. In essence, it's the lifeblood that keeps the vast military machine running smoothly. Lastly, we have logistics. The ability to mobilize troops, deliver supplies, and execute operations across the globe is a testament to the USA's logistical prowess. This aspect, often overlooked, is a critical component of military strength. The USA's extensive network of bases worldwide, coupled with a robust transportation infrastructure, ensures that it can project power and respond to crises swiftly and effectively. But it's not just about these individual components. The true strength of the USA's military lies in the harmonious synergy of these elements. Technology, budget, and logistics intertwining, each enhancing the other, creating a formidable force that's more than the sum of its parts. With such a wide array of strengths, the USA certainly seems formidable, but how does it compare to other nations? The world is full of powerful nations, each with its own unique strengths. Let's venture into a comparative analysis of the USA's military prowess with that of other countries, like China, Russia, and India. Starting with China, a country with a defense budget that trails closely behind the USA. Despite this, China's military technology is still considered a notch below the USA's, with America's advanced aircraft, naval vessels, and weaponry systems setting the global standard. However, China does boast a larger active military personnel, which is a significant factor in its overall military strength. Moving on to Russia, the country is known for its formidable defense budget, though it's still less than half of the USA's. Russia's military technology, particularly its aerospace and missile defense systems, are highly respected around the globe. Its manpower, though smaller than both the USA and China, is still a force to be reckoned with. Next, let's consider India, a country that has been ramping up its military strength over the past few years. India's defense budget is considerably smaller than the USA's, China's, and Russia's. However, it's continually investing in advanced technology to modernize its forces. In terms of manpower, India has one of the largest armies in the world, a strength that certainly adds to its military capabilities. Each of these countries brings a different set of strengths to the table. The USA excels in defense budget and technology, China in manpower, Russia in aerospace technology, and India in its large army. It's these unique strengths that shape the global military landscape and drive the ongoing competition for supremacy. However, it's important to note that military strength isn't just about numbers. It's also about strategic capabilities, training, and the ability to effectively deploy resources when needed. These factors, when combined with the aforementioned elements of budget, technology, and manpower, provide a more comprehensive view of a nation's military strength. As we can see, the USA's military strength is impressive, but it's not alone at the top. So, the USA has a powerful military, but what does this mean in a broader context? Well, the implications of having such a robust military are manifold and extend well beyond the battlefield. One of the most prominent effects is the capacity to influence international politics. With a military power of the USA's stature, it can sway decisions and policies on a global scale. This influence extends to the United Nations, NATO, and other international bodies where the USA can use its military might as a bargaining chip. Further, a strong military safeguards the nation's interests. Whether it's protecting shipping lanes, ensuring access to vital resources, or safeguarding overseas investments, the USA's military strength ensures that these national interests are well secured. This power also allows the USA to project its influence, ensuring its voice and values are heard worldwide. Moreover, the USA's military strength provides security to its citizens. It's the robust shield that deters potential aggressors, maintains peace, and ensures the safety of the American people. This sense of security fosters a climate where businesses can thrive, education can flourish, and individual freedoms can be exercised without fear. So, military strength isn't just about firepower or the number of soldiers. It's about the influence, security, and protection it affords a nation and its people. It's about the ability to shape the world in line with national interests and values. Indeed, the strength of a nation's military has far-reaching effects. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've delved into the labyrinth of the USA's military strength, examining its many facets. We've discussed the factors contributing to this strength, from the immense defense budget, the technological advancements, the strategic global presence, to the highly skilled personnel. Each element, like a cog in a well-oiled machine, contributes to a formidable military power. We've also placed the USA in the global context, comparing it with other countries. We've seen how it stands tall, its might often unrivaled, its influence far-reaching. Yet we've also acknowledged that strength is not solely about firepower or numbers. It's about strategy, diplomacy, and alliances. So, to return to our original question, how strong is the USA military? The answer, it seems, is complex and multifaceted. But one thing is for certain, it is undeniably powerful.